children, how are you? This is our Hindi online class second section. All of you ready children? Okay. Before that we have to do the silent prayer. All of you sit straight and close your eyes for 1 minute. Okay children, sit straight. Close your eyes all of you. All of you open your eyes. Okay my dear children, let us start our class. Children, let's start our class. Okay children, in our last section, I taught you the 4th paragraph of this Hum Panchi Unmukt Gagan Ke. You know the meaning of that? So I have to explain another 2 paragraphs. So listen all of you, put the finger and listen the each and every line and write down the English meaning also. Can I start children? Okay. होती सीमाहीन क्षितिज से इन पंखों की होड़ा होड़ी या तो क्षितिज मिलन बन जाता या तड़ती सांसों की डोरी. The birds like to fly upon the skyline. Skyline. Kshitij means skyline or horizon. They want to touch the skyline. For that, the bird is taking that much effort. That much effort means tanati sanso. They are taking that much effort in the breath also. And they fly upon the sky with one breath. That much effort the bird is taking to reach at the endless sky. Then children, that last and final paragraph. नीड न दो चाहे टहनी का आश्रय छिन्न भिन्न कर डालो, लेकिन पंख दिए है तो आकुल उड़ान में विघ्न न डालो. What the bird is telling? Need न दो. They don't want nest. Need means nest. Chahe tahani ka. They don't want branches also. They don't need branches also. Ashraya. Chinna bin kar dalo. Where ashraya means what? Where the place the birds are living. The birds' place are all destroyed also. They don't worry about that. Lekin pankh diye hai. But they having only one confidence. What is the confidence? Can you able to say? What is the pankh? Pankh means feather or wings. The birds have wings to fly. So that much confidence the birds having. They always like swatantrata, nahi paratantrata. इसलिए वे क्या चाहता है? आकाश में उड़ने की आशंका कैसी तरह प्रस्तुत करता है? अपने पंखों से. They don't want nest. They don't want branches. They don't want any आश्रय स्थल. Don't want to depend. आकुल उड़ान में विघ्न न डालो. What the bird is praying? Only they praying. What? They don't want to get any obstacle in their path. Obstacle means tadasam, vighna. So they don't want get any obstacle in their path. They always want to fly freely anywhere. But the bird having only aim is to fly at the endless sky. That's the aim for this bird. So इसलिए इस कविता में यह कहता है कि हम पंछी उन्मुक्त गगन में. This bird is willing to fly upon the sky. I think you all understood this poem. I think so. So children, the message of this poem is मनुष्य और पशु पक्षियों भी स्वतंत्रता ही चाहते हैं. Means we the human beings and birds and animals also like freedom. Now I will explain the meanings and question answer that you have to copy down in your notebook and write and study in your rough book also. I will explain now. Listen. Shabdarth meanings. Number 1. Panchi, Pakshi, bird. Kanak, Swarna, gold. Pulakit, komal, soft. Katuk, kadvi, bitter. Nibauri, नीम के वृक्ष का फल. Seed of a neem tree. Bandhan, बांधना, to tie. Arman, इच्छा, wish. सीमाहीन, असीम, endless. Need, घोंसला, nest. गगन, आसमान, sky. Okay children, the meanings you have to write and study 5 times in your rough note. Then उत्तर लिखिए. Number 1, first question. हर तरह की सुख सुविधाएं पाकर भी पक्षी पिंजरे में बंद क्यों नहीं रहना चाहते? The question meaning is, each and every happiness the bird is getting in the cage, but the bird is not like that. Why the bird is not interested to live in the cage? That is the question meaning. Now the answer I will explain. पक्षी पिंजरे में बंद नहीं रहना चाहते. The birds didn't like to live in the cage. क्योंकि, why? उन्हें बंधन पसंद नहीं. They don't want to live inside the cage. Bandhan means prison. The cage is just like a prison, no? So the bird didn't like that prison. वे तो खुले आकाश में ऊंची उड़ान भरना. They like to fly at the endless sky. And नदी झरनों का बहता जल पीना. नदी झरनों का बहता जल means from rivers and waterfalls, no? In that and all, the bird like to drink the water. Bahta means falling water from the river falls. सबसे ऊंची डाली पर झूलना. सबसे ऊंची डाली पर झूलना means they like to swing highest swing. अनार के दानों रूपी तारों को चुगना. And they like to eat the stars. Chugna, stars is just like the anar ke dano. Anar ke dano means pomegranate seeds. The stars are looking like anar ke dane. और क्षितिज मिलन करना ही पसंद करते हैं. क्षितिज मिलन means skyline. क्षितिज मिलन means skyline. They want to touch the skyline. So this is the first question answer. And second question, पक्षियों को पालना उचित है. Can we keep bird in our home? अथवा नहीं. If it is not, अपने विचार लिखिए. Write your own thoughts. Children, in this for this question, I make here 2 or 3 points. After that, you have to make one more point in your own thoughts. Okay, I will explain this answer. Listen. पक्षियों का पालना बिल्कुल उचित नहीं है. बिल्कुल means we can't able to keep bird in our home. Absolutely, it's not good. बिल्कुल means absolutely it's not good. उचित नहीं है. क्योंकि why? Because ईश्वर ने उन्हें उड़ने के लिए पंख दिए हैं. ईश्वर means God. God given them what? To fly. God given the wings to fly for the birds. तो इच्छाएं भी वैसी ही दी है. So they have their own wish. They have their own wish to fly upon the sky. Why we are catching the bird and putting in the cage? That no need. वे हरदम स्वच्छंद रहना चाहते हैं. They always like to be free. स्वच्छंद means free. स्वच्छंद means free, freedom, free. Hardam means always. Hardam means always. They like to be free. So these are the points I wrote here. Children, you have to make one more point in your own thoughts. You don't want to write in your note. You just write in your rough note. That's enough. Only one point you have to write in the write in your rough note for second question answer. Okay, I have to know about your thoughts also, no? So you can make only one point. That point is enough. Now, third question. इस कविता का संदेश लिखिए. You have to write the message of this poem. This is the question answer. इस कविता के माध्यम से कवि यह संदेश देना चाहती है. What the kavi given the message in this poem? Let us see. पशु पक्षी होया मानव. Pashu means animals, Pakshi means birds. Ya Manav and Manav means human beings. किसी को भी परतंत्रता पसंद नहीं. They no one like depending on others. They always like swatantrata. They always like swatantrata means freedom. Freedom ही स्वतंत्रता ही सबको पसंद करती है. स्वतंत्रता ही मीन्स फ्रीडम. सबको पसंद करती है. All like freedom only. They don't like paratantrata means we are depending others. Otherwise we can say the slave system. We are a slave to others. So that is called paratantrata. Okay, dear children. You have to copy down the meanings and question answer one time in your Hindi note, and after that you have to take your rough note and write and study the meanings 5 times and question answer 3 times in your rough note. Thank you children. Have a great day.